Hey everybody, PyjamaPrime here, back for another Transformers review. You may notice I do not have my earpiece. That's because it's screwing up right now. I don't really want to deal with it. So today I'm going to be reviewing Transformers Universe Titanium Series Hot, what's his name? Hot Zone. But everybody knows he's supposed to be Hot Spot. Leader of the Protector Bots. He is also a repaint of the Titanium Series RID Optimus Prime. He's blue, red, and black primarily, and a bit of gray here. And some silver here, but that's for later. So, a little bit of warning, I am not going to touch this latter portion at all, because the piece that connects this black piece to the back of the figure broke twice. The same break, but so basically it's one break, but it's done it twice. First it broke once. It broke the first time, sorry, and then I fixed it using some crazy glue that my mom got me. Then I tried to transform and do this review before, and it broke again on camera. So I'm hoping that this doesn't happen again. I'm going to be super careful and not touch this as long as possible. So this black piece, as I will mention again in rollout mode, rotates 360 degrees. The actual ladder piece will rotate 360 degrees. It will bend about 90 degrees. This will bend about 180 degrees. And that's about it. And then he rolls. So, except most of the articulation right now in this mode is with the ladder, which kind of makes sense because it's a fire truck. Fire trucks shouldn't be able to do much more than have their ladders move up and down. Okay, so to transform him, first I like to do the legs first. You unclip these bits right here from the sides, and just leave that there, and you bring the bottom panel around. This will form the front of the legs. And you bring this around, and these are the feet. And these clip in. Oh, right, sorry. Before you do that, fit that in, and then you bring these bottom panels here around. Now, bring this around, clip that in, and clip on the feet. Next, what you want to do is shove in the waist, shove in this black pole, which is made of die cast, and plug it in, shift it in there. Next, you want to bring these arm pieces down, unclip them from each other and bring them down. Rotate them at the shoulder. Bring them down and rotate at the elbow. Then flip these hands out and clip them in place. And do the same thing on this side. Oh, forgot to separate the legs a little bit. There we go. And then you slide this slidey joint. You can kind of bring that there. And slide the slidey joint down, and then position this however you feel. I like doing it like this, I think. Yes. So now here you have Hot Zone or Hot Spot, however you want to call him. And I don't really want to move him that much because, again, he's delicate in the back area and it actually moves a lot. Can't remember if it moved a lot while it was whole and not broken, but every time I move something else, or this will move a lot. So I'll just say head rotates 360 degrees. It's standard articulation. Waist articulation, which is great. Because for some reason, because of this figure, I finally appreciate waist articulation like everyone else does, and I understand why. I just don't know why. I was meddling around with it, and just the pose looked slightly more epic, actually greatly more epic, with twisting the waist slightly. It was just awesome. But that is Universe Titanium Hotspot, or Hot Zone, whichever you want to call him. And I am PyjamaPrime. I'm going to go put him on a shelf where he can never be touched, where he will never be touched again, ever, by myself or anyone, hopefully. I forgot to mention he's mostly die cast. The legs, I believe, the head, the arms, various joints, the ladder are plastic, but most of them is die cast. I think his leg, all of his legs, his waist, his arms, the blue parts of his arms, his chest, his feet are all die cast. Yeah. Titanium Universe Hotspot.
We separate the gifted from those who are taking the easy way. We separate the gifted from those who are taking the easy way. We separate the gifted from those who are taking the easy way.